Go to Nextjs Beta Docs website, and copy the installation command. Now paste the command in your terminal, and run. Make sure that you have Node installed in your PC. Select all the default settings. Now we have installed Nextjs and Typescript, let us install TailwindCSS. cd into your folder and install TailwindCSS and initialize Tailwind. Now let us configure our Tailwind to work with our project. In the Tailwind config.js file, let's paste our Tailwind settings. In our global CSS file, remove everything and paste the settings from Tailwind website. Let's clean up the home page. All set, let's test our configurations if Tailwind is working. Run yarn dev or npm run dev to start a local development server. Go to localhost 3000 to view your website. Yay! Our website is running, let us make some changes to see if our Tailwind is working properly. All good, out dev environment is ready. Tailwind is working just right. Thank you for watching, see you on the next video.